Hi guys, welcome back again for my tech guide. Today I'll be showing you how to create a password protected folder or a drive to secure bank information of important documents or some of your precious files or photos to make sure that you won't get regrets of deleting or stolen by an unknown friend or thief. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon to get future alerts of my future videos. So this feature is available through Bitlocker, which was introduced by Microsoft with Windows 7. Bitlocker is used to encrypt hard disks and secure data. So people doesn't know that you can do more with Bitlocker. So what I'll show you, by using Bitlocker, you can create a secure folder with password protection to secure your data. So let's get started. Right click on and click on Disk Management. In here, please make sure while you're doing this, you have a free unallocated space for doing this. So select the unallocated space and click Action and create VHD. VHD stands for Virtual Hard Drive. This is used for many things. That means to create a virtual hard disk. So the VHD format supports up to 2040 GB. So if you want to go more than that, you can select VHXD. Sorry, VHDX. That is the extended version. So I'll be clicking the VHD and creating a hard drive in my D drive as secure folder VHD, and I'll be selecting 4 GB. And here you can see the virtual disk types. That is the dynamically expanding or fixed size. When you select fixed size, it's the allocated amount which I have requested that will be there. So if I select dynamically expand, that means it will expand for the unallocated space for your hard drives as you save. So now you can see here it's created, but it's not initiated. So what we'll do, initialize disk and select master boot record. We cannot do this method by using the GUID partition table. So after that, now you can see it's a separate disk created. So we will right click on the unallocated space and click next. Please keep the data as it is. No need to change it automatically as in the next available data drive. So we'll save this as secure folder and we'll perform a quick format and we'll click next and we'll click finish. Now it has created a virtual hard drive. Now when you click this PC, now you can see it's a external hard drive created on your desktop, sorry, in this PC, but still it's not protected. So what we have to do is we'll click start and type control panel, and we'll go to the control panel and select Bitlocker drive encryption. After that, you can see the secure folder Bitlocker is off. So you'll click that and click turn on Bitlocker, and you can have multiple options selected. So I'll select use a password to unlock the drive, and I'll put a password. Please use caps, small cases, and add, that means a symbol and numbers. So I need a recovery program needed. So I'll save a file in one of my pen drives. So I click to save, and you can use the default name as well, but I'll be saving in a way that I can understand which file is it. So if I forget my password, it's very easy for me to find the key. So please keep more backups. So then after that, how much of your drive you need to be encrypted? I'll set encrypt the use data space only. So it will be very faster. So the new encryption mode or the compatible mode, you can select both of them. I'll be selecting the latest version. From that, now you can see you can change the password and stuff, and the drive is encrypted. Now you can see it's an unlocked folder because it's created already, but it's not locked. So what we have to do is right click on the disk and I'll select eject. That means it will be ejecting the virtual hard disk. As you can remember, I saved my virtual hard disk on D. So what I'll do is I'll right click and I select mount, and you will here get an error. It says access is denied, and just click OK. Ignore the error. because this hard drive is protected. So ignore this, and when you go back, now you can see it's a protected hard disk or a partition. So what you have to do is right click and unlock drive and type in the password and click unlock. Now you can see it's an unlock folder. You can put whatever the documents needed. So what I'll do is I have some photos or some documents saved on my desktop. I right click and I'll copy the folder and I'll paste it inside the external hard disk. I'll click back and I lock my drive or by ejecting it. So my data is secure right now. So whenever I need, I can use a password to bring it back again. So thanks for watching this video, guys.